Okay, I'm going to do the crafts for the November craft kit. We're going to make a turkey, of course, and another one. So in the kit you'll get one template and some recycled magazine pieces. Or you might get thinner strips. So you can just take the template and put several layers behind it. I'm trying to use a lot of recycling materials. We have so many magazines people have offered us. And you may have some at home as well. They make really pretty colors. You'll get a paper plate. You can draw the circle and you can draw the face for your turkey. So then I just need to glue my pretty pieces of paper that are in that teardrop oval shape. So if I use the plate this way, it's best to cut the circle out and cut the head before I put my feathers on. Another way to use the plates is cut the plate in half. Then you can actually make two turkeys. I find it's helpful once I've cut up a bunch of they look like leaves, but they're feathers, to lay them out ahead so I see kind of what the colors are. Want to use all the nice browns and variety of colors. And I found out that when I get closer to the middle of this circle, I want to cut my feathers in half. And then they go twice as far. I don't need as many of them. So I found a little scrap that made a good nose, and I made a little gobbler out of another scrap. And then my finishing touch will be to color my turkeys. So have fun making your turkeys and stay tuned for making a gratitude tree.